questions. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle vlogs about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa.
Guys, we just sent in a resignation message. I sent it in my text, so informal, but it was formally written. Yeah. So it is something that I've been telling them that I'm going to leave. I even went to the HR even before I reached this far. The first week I told them that I'm going to leave in October, because around that time that's when our extension started, and she was like, okay, now it's November. So they had like 2 weeks with me, and now it's time to move on. Yeah. So I just sent in a message. I feel bad because it is the 6th and I resigning the 10th. Like, yeah, just a couple days. And then the thing about it is that the schedule for next week is already posted and I'm on it. But guess what? Whenever they find someone, they do it effectively immediately. Alright? So I'm giving them 3 days. 3 days. Yeah. So it is sad, but it's something that I have to do because the people then want to pick me up on the 16th and I need to pack. I have a whole lot of stuff. Normally I would already start packing, but because I was unsure in what I was doing, and I'm still unsure because I have so much stuff and I don't know what to do, and I don't need to bring all of it to Vermont. But yeah, see, someone just messaged me saying they're gonna miss me, and I think that's it's Jody. But yeah, so sad. Still feel sick, guys, and sorry for not releasing the vlog last week. But when I was editing, I was like, no, this is not it, and I didn't do a lot of clippings because, as I said, I feel sick. I didn't even do anything for V-La-Nessa. Like, I feel so workless. But yeah, so I'm just gonna tell you, well, you know what, whenever I go home, I'm gonna discuss what my plans were and what happened, why I changed. Maybe I should do it on V-La-Nessa, or the fact that it is like an H2B things transition. So that's what I want to do, maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you the 2 options that I had, what happened, because you guys been watching my clips and you'll be seeing that I'm stressed out and I'm so find out. Yeah, it is now come to an end. The decision has now come to an end. The unsureties come to an end, and yeah, I'm gonna update you soon. So I just want to start off this week vlog with a positive note, saying yeah, your girl on her way to extension, and you know Smell bring her now. Yeah, I'm going to bring you always. So stay tuned for that. A new adventure, a new state. Well, not really a new state because I was doing when I was in J1, but a new state for H2B. Yeah, a new employer, and I hope these employers are the I hope this employer is the one, because we just need to find that one employer when we can say yes, I want to go by there. You get me? Yeah. So I opened this morning, not one customer, not even one somebody walking, but workers. So I'm just gonna do my side work, and then I'm gonna follow up on some emails because I need to get back to the place that is emailing me. Need to contact the shuttle, need to contact the housing people, and all them some there. So don't touch that dial.
It's not. It sounds like I want to put my thumb in it. Like what?
No, it's a bug.
So weak. Oh my
I don't even know what it is. Which Walmart are you going? And this is a different Walmart?
No, I'm just going in. I know my city, okay?
I don't know. How do you open? They don't have any Jamaican music on here. Really?
No. What do you listen to?
For me, I listen to American music.
Oh, then play your music. Then what are you playing Jamaican music for?
Or African music. You said you wanted Jamaican.
Well, I thought that's what you would
No.
want. Put your Jamaican shit on. I don't care. What type of? Oh, play your American music. What type of American music?
Like
do you listen to?
I mostly listen to like 90s.
90s?
Yeah.
Like music's from the
Alright,
90s?
2000. Let me play
Oh, I
2000.
like the 2000s. Right. Oh, I know this song. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Oh, I am for real. Vlog, we're currently shopping in Walmart. Hello. She does not know how to drive. She's gonna try to kill me. So basically, I own this store.
You own this store. Where would you like to go, Mademoiselle?
What?
Where would you like to go?
Oh, what do you need, bitch? What stuff do you need? She needs to kill me. My couch is kind of like this, but 10 times more bigger. But not.
I need boxes. Where is the box stuff?
That way, I'm pretty sure.
No. Books.
No, boxes.
Home.
Yeah, this way.
Maybe outerwear.
No, it's this way. Trust and believe me. Let's hope I'm right. While I'm at Walmart, I like to scout for fine. While I'm at Walmart, I don't know.
You're covering the
I know. So anyways, while I'm at Walmart, I like to scout for the fine in my city. I never see any, ever.
Never.
Never,
I've
ever.
been here once.
Oh, look, boxes. Oh, no, that's... Oh, boxes up here. Look. She's leaving me. I'm kind of upset. I was going to be... I don't know. Did you... Wait. I don't know if...
Hey guys, morning. Last night I went to Walmart, Jody and I. I did borrow a car earlier. Wanted to go Walmart, but then she said she wanted to go Walmart. So I said, you know what? Let me just borrow the car, come home, and I chill for a while, and then I went to pick her up, and then we went to Walmart. So I bought boxes and other little stuff that I need for the week, like drinks and duct tape and so forth for packing. Let me just put it up like this. Like, and I can still hear the sickness in me, but I was gonna pack a box and give it to someone, but I feel like I'm just gonna pack it and ship it over. I know I have a lot of stuff. I want to see if I can get rid of some stuff. The thing is, Jody agreed to take some of my stuff, like the chair and the decks and the food and so forth, because like I don't think these people are worthy of getting my hard-earned money. So I'm just gonna give some of the stuff to Jody. So whatever I can't pack, I can give it to Jody. So that is what I'm gonna do as it relates to getting those stuff done. We're going to Carter's Mountain today. It look very cool out that door, but we're gonna go. I need to go and charge my DJI, my camera, my Canon camera, because I want to plan to take some pictures and yeah, just have a good time. So that's what we're going to do today. I think I'm going to do that on a separate vlog because that's going to be too much. So that's a separate vlog. And now I'm also going to be packing. I'm going to do that on a separate vlog. So guys, there's going to be a lot of vlog coming out, or maybe not a vlog, but videos, you know, of me packing, going to the Carter's Mountain, traveling, guys. Yes, like Jesus, I have so much work to do. And then guess what? As I reach me, I can just jump in. You know what I'm gonna do? Whenever I'm in the airplane or airport or whatever, I'm gonna focus on editing. Thank God I have my tablet. I can, you know, edit while I'm on the go. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a separate video sitting down and talking about the process, because guys, that stressed me out. It stressed me out. You know, would I hear it in my previous videos? I talk about saying so here about it, and so here about it, and so here about it. Yes, now I can talk about it because now I made up my mind. I booked my ticket last night to go to the place. Yes. Well, if my money, nearly $400 for the ticket, but they're gonna give me back my money, hopefully. Yeah. They seem like they will because they seem more structured than the place that I was initially going. And listen for the story. Just listen for the story. Alright. So yeah, so I just decided that I'm gonna come on the live today, but today's my day off. As I have 2 more days at work, Thursday, Friday. Yesterday I put in like my letter I just texted them saying that Friday is my last day, even though I was on the schedule for next week. I just had to do it, because I have to get it going. Yeah, and I have a roommate. It seems like she's gonna be fun. Let's see. Hey, Roxanne, behave yourself. Behave yourself, Roxanne. Behave yourself. Alright. And I hope, listen, I'm going to do a sit down and talk with her so that we understand each other, because me have my ways, Me have my ways. And I think we're gonna share a condo together. So we don't have this one other people to deal with. We have kitchen and so forth. So yeah, the rent is, listen, just stay tuned for that video. Hopefully it'll be more fun. She'll be more open to come on the camera so I can do more fun videos, like how me and Christine used to walk and we used to do things. Yeah, she sound like she's fun and she's open to go on the camera based on how we talk, because girl says she gonna shove this stove for me, because I tell her, I say, yo, I'm gonna cuss her every minute of the day, every time I feel cold, I'm going to cuss her. And she said, don't worry about it. She's going to introduce me, alright. And she's going to show the snow for me. And then I tell her to me, record. And we said, like, camera action. She laughed and she know, Yeah. So, I am kind of excited. Like, I was so confused, like, 2 days ago. I'm at ease. And, yeah, I'm ready to take on the road. I need to go shopping. Yes, I need to go on Amazon, because I went on Temu, some nice stuff up on Temu. But the dates are cutting it too close. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to spend my money on Amazon and get my package in 2 days, because we're not going to buy anything and then leave it here and then I feel fine. Figure out how to get it or just leave it as a loss. Because one thing with me, I hate to return packages. Like, I don't know why, but I just hate to return. I just call it a loss and none. So, yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So right now, I feel like I'm going to pack. But before I pack, I need to charge up my stuff for today. Yeah. So I have 3 boxes. I only need 1. But the thing is, I have 2 medium. It never looked too big. So I bought 2 of the medium just in case I'm not going to use a large. And I bought 1 of the large just in case I use 2 medium. So yeah, so that's that. So I'm just going to do all of this. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll give you like a clippings, but if you want so the full thing, yeah, you have to stay tuned for the pack with me video, travel with me video. Guys, I have so much stuff, you wouldn't even understand. Too much. Let me show you. So first, we have decks. We start out the decks and the chair with Jodie, right? This are the products then. Everything in there, so yeah. We start out that Jodie says she will take that, so that's no problem. We have this, which are the products them. Then you have all of this aside here. Hold on there. You have all of this aside here for that stuff, right? And you have like stuff in this, but important documents in that, right? In here, so. Yeah, so look and clothes. Like, why girl need so much stuff? Shoes, clothes. Like, we're not gonna bring them here, obviously. Bags found this, like stuff up there. So this is so much, and I only have 2 suitcases and stuff already in the suitcases. Like, tell me why we have so much stuff. Yeah, so this is like how much stuff I have accumulated over 1.5 years. And I've been trying not to buy anything this season. I've been trying. And I didn't want to buy anything. But because I'm going into the cold now, where the snow there, you have to buy. And this is why I was pushing to go to Florida. Because I already have my Florida clothes in. You get me? But, yeah. Such is life. I had to go to the better option. People that were ringing on my phone, but I just have to do it. If you think about me, yeah, I'll tell you the story. Stay tuned for that. So, catch you later on. Yeah. As I said, I'm gonna give you little clippings of everything. Jody want to bring our dog, but it's whatever. I guess I have to just get used to it again. Yeah. We're going to the mountain, so we probably need backative. Yeah, we probably need that security. We probably need somebody that would warn off danger. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna. I only got 5 hours of sleep last night, probably even less. So I'm just gonna start packing, start organizing my stuff. So.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy. You like that? Don't back down. No, you talk back. Keep it spicy. That's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion.
Alright guys, so as I said earlier, I'm going to the mountains. That will be another vlog because it's going to be too long. I got a card yesterday because I'm leaving, and this is from my manager. The thing is, we had so much managers, we can't even count them, but this lady, right, we started off, we were in the same orientation group, and then she managed me at the pool first, because you know I was in the mailroom, so I had a previous manager, and then I went to the pool. She was the manager, and then after the person who was supposed to come and manage the pool came, she left and she went to Birdwood. That's where I am now. And when I went over there, she was then my manager again, and then she left for maternity leave, and she messaged me and said, hey, when are you leaving? And I told her, like, it take 2 days to respond. Like, I am so awful when it comes to messages. Like, once me open it, I will forget. And I remember the day after, and I was saying that, hey, you know, from when my manager messaged me and I was supposed to respond and I didn't respond, 2 days later I responded, and yesterday I was at work and she just popped up. I was so happy to see her. Like, she looks so good. Like, she looks so good without the belly. She looked good with the belly, you know. But no, yeah, good it come out. And the baby's so tiny and cute. Anyway, she brought me this card, and I'm going to put it before you. Yeah. I have not looked in there, so I need to tell her thank you and all those stuff. Yeah. But you see, I am not frightened for like stuff. I appreciate it. So, you know, some people when they just get something, they just want to put it same time. No, I want to put it when I have like a good moment, so I can, you know, reflect and appreciate it properly rather than put it in ease. So, yeah. So, I got a card, and it say, you'll be missed. Hey, one thing doing, hold on, the card upside down. Wait. Oh. Because when I say, oh, the card I pulled this way. Anyway, it say you'll be missed. Remember that the road you're taking also lead back here. Oh. That means that she was asking me if I was coming back, but there's so much things that need to be done. Anyway, she has awesome penmanship, and the pen went right, and you can see that, and she made some errors. She told me that, so Vanessa, and she spelled my name right. I'm truly so thankful to have had the opportunity to work with you. You have been such a pleasure to manage and made my job fun even on the hardest days. I hope your next adventure is full of life, light, and plenty of blessing. You are so deserving of that. Please know you are always welcome back here with open arms. We love you. Keep in touch. Oh. Thank you, Daniel, if you're watching my vlog. Thank you. I like this. Like, you know, sometimes you go to some places and you have some people that make your time memorable. Like, she's one of them. Like, you remember when I used to talk about my manager in Vermont? Yeah, she's one of them manager there. Yeah, like, the lady have a 9-month-old belly and the place busy and she up and down running. Like, right now the place is a mess because she's not there. Like what? And then she's so easy to talk to, like, no judgment. You understand? Like, I love that about her. And the fact that we both, and then, you know, the thing is, I am older, but we have so much respect for each other regardless. Like, I am so appreciative of this, and honestly, I would come back only because of her and Jody. Honestly. You have other people that I like, you know, yeah. But sometimes the system just, anyway, I kind of understand, you know why I kind of understand? Because they're changing up some things and so forth, and it's not easy. It's not easy to run a company, so I understand. You understand? And after, I just want, you know, so just one issue we used to have, and we fixed it in the end, and I was so happy and alright. And then, other than that, if I'm coming back, I'm getting my car, definitely. So, saying that to say yes, I will come back, definitely. And if them welcome me back, my manager is one, but HR department and all those other departments are also a part of all of this. You understand? So I can't just come back because she wants me to come back. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm happy. And I am so grateful. I'm going to cherish this. Like, I have other stuff that I have from my manager from Vermont. Like, remember that the road always leads us back to us. I love this. Like, thank you, Danielle. Like, this touched my heart. Thank you. Yeah. So that means I must be doing a good thing. I must be doing a good thing. Anyway, where's Jody? Where is Jody? I am all ready. I have my camouflage pants. And I'm going to wear my Timberland because we're going up the mountain. Yeah, I don't know if that's comfortable, but you know, I'm going to wear it anyway. My work shoes would be next best thing, but it's just the bottom too thin. It can't do hard work. So I'm just going to wear my Tims. And then wear this. You always see this top anyway. Yeah, my clothes, me wash it. Yeah, so they're going to wear it until it's done. So, yeah. So I'm just going to brush my teeth, spray up, put on the shoes, wait for that. I started, let me show you. Like, this is almost empty. That is almost empty. Alright? And then, this is how far we have. So we have garbage. That's not full yet. Those are things that I'm going to probably give away or throw away. And then this is the box. I'm just going to shape the box. And then these are the suitcase. So each suitcase has 3 of that. I have not vacuum sealed it or anything like that. And I took down some of my bags. And then you have some of my shoes here because, yeah. So I'm on my way and I feel positive now. I feel like, yeah, I'm coming together. Like, these stuff, I need to take them up and so forth. And I think I'm going to put them in my suitcase because I don't want them throwing it all over the place and break them and anything, spill on anything, even though they're in bags. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll catch you back in the next clip when we're on our way. It's not going to be a full clip on here, but I'm going to be vlogging, so stay tuned for that. And guys, Jody's here, finally.
Matching.
Where have you been? You know what things I was doing when you said, oh, I'm going to get ready, and then I did everything, throw everything in. I was packing, you know.
Did you?
Yes. Oh, we're wearing
so
black.
We are. My hair is not cooperating.
Did you carry it off?
No, I did not break them.
Look at you, you're furry. You want something to rub the thing off? You want this?
I'm always furry.
Do you want it?
I have one. think I might have one in my car. Yeah, I have one in my car.
You should see the back of your toes.
Is it bad?
Very bad. And you're wearing your white sneakers?
Yeah.
Really, dude?
But these are actually like, I don't know how they're still white because I wear them when they're supposed to like, they're gonna, like they might get messy. They never do.
Anyway, I'm coming. Guys, we are done picking apples. Show the back. And Jody had about 6. This is their 7th apple. We're tired. We're beat out.
We got like 2-3 hills to walk up.
Yeah. They keep throwing apples at us. Right? So, yeah. So we're going, where are we going? We're going to eat. But you're going home first, you said. No, what did you say?
Well, we'll see if they have what food they have here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna check that out. And yeah, we're walking back up. We pick some apple. So the trick about going apple picking, go to the first part of the journey. If you go up there, you're not gonna find any apples. If you go down here, you can find apples at hand reach. Alright, if you go up there, all of them picked. Yeah, so we're going to see if we can get some donuts and some other stuff, but I actually want good food. Yeah. So, catch you back.
Oh, taste it. Just taste it. It's so good. It's so worth it. I don't want
So this is worth me put it on 100 pounds after this. It's worth it? It's worth it. So, alright, let's. Ooh, look at the light. Ooh. Jody not wearing her size. Jody don't wear her size. Apart from the shoes being dirty now.
I know.
It's burning her foot.
I hope my shoes when they get them out.
Like, do you see my shoes? I don't even take that out. That was so. When you bought that recently, right?
What?
Because it was brand new.
What?
When you, when I saw.
I've worn these like so many times.
Relationship without me being a mother, without me being a friend, but all of it you learn from each other. So just leave it, as Ali say, leave it to God and watch him work it out. Just put your pen to paper, watch it work out. Some of the time you write all in a one book where you don't really need, and just lock it up. Talk what you want over it, and everything when I write here, so God it me want. And I put time on God too. You know, a lot of people say they don't put time on God. Me tell God what I want in a 6 month, 3 month, 1 year, 5 year, 2, all of that me do. And I've seen it work. Me manifest what me want. And I've seen it work. You saw when me over there, let me tell you what me say. When me over there, me come down here the 11th of September. And when me over there, me say, God, when me come back up, my pay off a raise. Because when me come here and see the money when me work, me say my pay off a raise. You see me go work the 18th of September, me just tell my boss, me say, listen, to be honest, me not think me go work no much longer for the pay when me I get. And if it no raise, me no think after today, me I go come back. Instead to me say, him go talk to me tomorrow and call a meeting the Tuesday morning. And him raise me pay. Him raise me pay. That is how I am. When me manifest something, and me I tell him, I don't know perfect Christian, I don't know this. Me not even Christian. Cause me slip and slide every day. But I am a believer and I have faith. And I trust God. I believe that there is a God. But when me tell you, say, me anything me speaking to be, me believe it. Me believe it, and I believe that it is going to work, and it work. So my thing to you is just write it in a book. Write it in a book, leave it, and call it a day. I'm gonna sleep. I have work in the morning. I love you, and guys, take care.
Thank you. Anyway, the place is a mess, but it will be fixed today. I'm gonna ship 2 boxes now, because I was gonna do 1 box, which is that box right there. But now I'm gonna do this one too. It's a medium one because I'm gonna ship some pots and so forth. Thank you, Nicole, for buying this, because now my roommate is saying that yes, we have pot, but we probably would have to buy more pots. So if we have pot here, a roommate you buy and we can bring it, then we can bring it here. Thanking Nicole for buying the pots for me. Yeah. And then I kind of glad to me I go put a next box there, so now I don't have to worry about the weight of my suitcase. Even though my suitcase fine, because I already packed the one there over there, so. And it just a touch 50 pounds. And I barely not have nothing else to put in the suitcase then. Because this, if you can see, let me turn on. Don't watch the record, the ring light. I drop it. Yeah. So that's basically the clothes that I have left, and this one clothes. Yeah. Them we I go throw away. So I'm basically gonna put the food stuff that I have in here, and the pots, and probably 2 pillows and so forth, because the roommate said we need pillows. So I'm gonna just put, because we did buy 2 pillows, so I'm gonna put my 2 pillows in there, and yeah, and then the stuff them we gonna tape up. Hopefully today we can schedule UPS to come collect them. Yeah, and then Jody I gotta come back for a vacuum some more oil pan done in here, so we can vacuum it, because a long time no vacuum. So that more I do. And may I eat this, you know how long I cook this? Yo, some things we I do. I would never do this at home, but anyway, it tastes good. See way cabbage. Remember one time, I don't know if it, I don't know, but oh no, you wouldn't know. We did cook cabbage. Is that before my roommate leave? Start me some more than 1 week now. This is not the fridge. No sir. Anyway, we cook cabbage and we did cook we call it mackerel, sausage and dumplings, and we just put everything in that one, and it tastes really good. It tastes good to see because I'm hungry. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and just get packing. My housemate now, that's there Vermont. We've been on the phone for a morning because she had changed up the room. She said the room very small, and she did a video call me and decide, look how the people they roll up with their shop them snow van. I wonder if snow will start fall soon. Anyway, yeah, so she did a video call me, but the place really look good, and we feel content now knowing that me choose. Me glad that she pushed me to choose there, because if me didn't go Florida, would have probably have stress as it relates to rent and so forth. Now me only I got pay $550 for the month, and we have a whole apartment for yourself. So we have the kitchen, we have washer, dryer, utilities, everything included. The bedroom, only thing we do is share the bedroom. We have living room, TV, better than the right already right here. So me have my smart fire stick. So if I have a smart TV, then we can put my smart stick on it. And my roommate here, we just set up over here, so for your camera them and so forth. So it's gonna be a good winter. It's gonna be a good winter, and I'm excited now. Like, I just can't wait now. Like, I wish we didn't book my ticket a little earlier. But you know, you want to rest, and then we need to start editing this, because if we don't want a video this weekend, then they'll probably kill me. And I know I'm gonna do a video for V-La-Nessa. I don't feel like I'm gonna do one this week, because you know, see me packing and me busy and so forth. Yeah. If anything, we just go live on V-La-Nessa and then talk. Them ask me questions. Yeah. Anyway, too much talking, so I'm gonna eat and get going. Guys, we never know how useful the clubhouse was until I needed it. Right now, the reason why I walk back is because the sun did that way and the lighting better this way. So right now I walk go to the clubhouse to print the label, because I ship off the 2 box them. So yeah, cost me $70 something to ship 1 box. So in all I'm gonna pay $100 and something, which not bad, because when I was coming over from Miami, I paid more than that. I think I paid $200 or something. Like, it's because I use UPS instead of USPS, which is the US Postal Service. Whichever one of them, you understand? So I use the Postal Service, they're kind of cheaper, and they're gonna pick it up. So tomorrow, I'm just going to put it at the door, because that's what I told them I'm gonna do. Put it at the door, and put the label on it and everything, and then come pick it up and then ship it. So it's gonna reach like, it's gonna reach before me reach. It's gonna reach in 3 days. So that's not bad, it's not bad. So that is that. I didn't know something I forgot to spend some whole money. And the thing is, I was planning to get someone to bring it, like bring it to Florida and all them something, because I was planning to go to Florida. And if me didn't do that, it would have cost way more, because would have to go fill up in my car with gas, and then you only using car, and I'm probably using truck, and that's only public gas. Not only that, if I'm gonna use not using truck, would I rent a vehicle, because enough people over here, they don't like using their personal car go far places. So yeah, so that me I do. So me actually I save, even though it seems like me I spend a lot of money. So me just use my credit card. Me I get paid when me I leave. So when the money that I get paid, me go just pay back my credit card and use it go shopping. And yeah, that's about it. So the money when I go get paid, I go just use it. Oh shit! I go use it for pay back my credit card. Me traveling when me are there, yeah, cause me use my credit card buy me ticket. Then I give me back the money there still. Use the credit card, do this, and any other things that I need to buy. That's what I want to use my credit card to do. So when me get paid now, I just pay back my credit card, and then a little change or left for that, I'm gonna use go Walmart. So I'm not touch my savings or anything like that. And then I just me not pay for no Uber no more. So I don't need to spend no whole heap of money when we're over there. So that is good. So we can survive on that until I get paid again. I don't know how the pay gonna look, but such is life. That's why I know say if me even not save $500 a fortnight, may I save something. Yeah, so I'm gonna just print now and put it on the label.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We still at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, was waiting.
Secure the code and make sure we print 2 of each, and then we print a bigger barcode like this, and then we print this. So I'm just gonna put it on the box and then let them pick it up tomorrow, because we can't, and then we pay for insurance too. So one of the box is $83 and the next one is $70-something. So, and it's because I pay for insurance, $5 for insurance, but that's fine. We have to secure the goods. I have to say bye to this community. I really like it. Bye. See you later. But I have 1 week with you, but look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a walk next week still. Today. Oh. So orgasmic. Yeah, so I'm gonna really miss this. You can imagine when snow fall on the mountain, the tree them just have snow on it, how it would have look. Oh, I wish it did snow before me leave still. Even though I don't want to snow. But yeah, the view is really nice here. I don't know if you have a good view down so, look so. But the good thing is we have our own condo. We have our own condo. We keep on saying apartment, but it's, if we say apartment, you just know say yeah. We have our own little condo, and kitchen nice, living room nice. Yeah, I'm excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell that I'm excited? Yeah. Anyway, if we go down there and the place look drivable, let's believe when I buy a car. I'm stop on talking. I'm gonna chat too much now. It's a chat and do. It's not even something I want to do it. It's just that sometimes when you view the Cause if me even look on it now, I'm gonna say, would you buy the car? You so far me that for the drive go? I know. Me alone and God, I play music. So yeah. But anyway, later, cause Mr. Chapter didn't make no sense.
It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since.
Alright, so right now, me I do what I've been longing to do. I'm doing roti and curry shrimp. So basically about the roti, that is what we do. Me I cook the sauce for the shrimp because you know say a curry, so you have to make that cook a little bit first. And then yeah, me have a couple more roti me flat out, roll out. Me never have nothing, so me use wash out this I use it. But yeah, this is it. And listening to some music, my mother did there on the phone, so she get a call, so I guess she'll call back. So that's why the music turned down so low. And then that's that for dinner. I am so happy, something new. Guys, there is curry shrimp with bacon and roti. Yeah, see there. The best, but it tastes good. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna go eat this, watch a movie, and then I need to get editing.
Peace of mind. I got a feeling we will be alright. I wanna live with you by your side. Do you feel the same? Look in my eyes, into my heart. I know I'm everything you pray for, my love. Been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything you ask in my love. Look in my eyes, I know we need time. I know I'm everything you pray for, my love. I've been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything you ask in my love. We've been in a lot lately. We can just talk about it. I know we can make it, baby. The word about ended. Maybe now is our time to make it. Our love is stronger than that. Do you believe that too? Look in my eyes, into my heart. I know I'm everything you pray for, my love. Been waiting too long to find in the one. I will do everything you ask in my love. Just look in my eyes, I know we need time. I know I'm everything you pray for, my love. Been waiting too long to find in the one. I will do everything you ask in my love.
These people are acting weird. You know, like that girl that said how she feel like she's gonna get proposed to. Yeah, me know them are gonna do something like they're acting weird. Like, we see them with a car, we see them with a cake, and they tell me to move and all this stuff. Like, they're not very discreet. Like, what? Yeah, so today is my last day. I don't know how to feel. Like, I'm gonna miss you, not to lie. Yeah, because I developed like some good friendship, but you know, that's how H2B work. Yeah, it's only part-time and probably come back. You never know, you understand? But never act weirdish. And then Jody go bust them secret this morning, Lord Jesus. So yeah, I tell Chrissy say I don't like cake, you know. I tell Chrissy that I don't like cake, but I'll eat a slice and share the rest. Yeah, I feel like appreciated, even though we don't know what yet. But me see it already. Like, them can't hide. Only thing with that surprise, you know, if they put $2,000 in there. Anyway, today's the last day. We're going on our next stress. I'm excited for a new adventure. Like, I'm excited for something else, to give us something else. You understand? Now I have to practice my surprise face. So guys, I want you to help me. What do I say? Oh my god! No. Oh my god. Oh my god, you shouldn't have. Oh my god, guys, you shouldn't have. Like, how am I supposed to react? Like, tell me now. Like, I am emotional, right? But now when I know, like, oh my god, guys, you shouldn't have. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh, when I go home, I'm gonna read it because I can't read it before you because I don't want to cry. Like, yeah, I'm gonna say something like that. Oh boy, today is nice. And it's just a bittersweet moment because I'm happy to leave but sad to leave. I don't know if I understand. But yeah, so this is the last time in the bathroom. Yeah, so hey, but you know, they didn't tolerate me, you know, because my cuss the yesterday I cuss Rochelle, you know, because Rochelle. Because my food didn't come out, but I'm very passionate about my work. But we don't mean nothing. I still love them. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna practice my surprise face, okay? I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video. They summoned me, they said I should come to the kitchen.
We also have something else, but you're gonna get it Tuesday. You leave
Thursday.
a bunch of corn stuff.
I'm not gonna cry anymore. It's not on you, it's on me.
I know you don't like sweets, but we're gonna cut it anyway. And then you get your show later today, and then on Tuesday we got something else for you.
Thank you. Even though I stressed you guys out.
Huh?
What's
Thank you, Mila. She stresses out.
especially Rochelle. Where is she? Should I read it now or no? Can I bring it home and read it?
Yeah, you can take it home and read it.
No.
This is cute color though. Yeah, that is cute.
Jesus Christ.
Good morning, team. Happy Friday. Miss Shay. How are you?
It's the little things sometimes I look on. Every Friday they give me food. Free food, the company. So today is Ep30. Don't ask me why I'm for the beat. Alright guys, so just reach home. Final day. May have to edit. Seems like me pop me my ring light, so sorry for the lighting. My lash look like them tall. So I just want to open the card before, you know. Yeah. So today was quite fun. It was chill, very laid back. They bought cake. They made pasta, Alfredo pasta. I'm not TV show now. Yeah. They made Alfredo pasta for me at work. They gave me cake and they gave me this card and they said that Tuesday again, I'm supposed to pick up something else. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pull this before you and read it, let you guys see. Let me just put no. Oh, hold on. Alright, so this kind of look better. Remember that tripod me show now? Yes, this is it, the light and everything. So it still look good. Yeah, so this is the card. Has my name on it. I told them when I reach home I'll open it because I don't want to get emotional in front of them. But it's because they made it so suspicious. It's not so frightening anymore. Anyway, so it's a 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. Mission accomplished. Fist bump, A++. Start innovation. Bravo, 21 gun salute. High five. So this is what's on here. So I guess they're saying that I did a great job. And when you open it, hold on. Yeah, so it's like this. And a lot of person write in it. So it's alright, so the first one's a good luck, Vanessa, on your next journey. XOXO, Christy, we will miss you. Thank you, Christy. Next one say, we will miss you so much. It was nice having you, girl. That's from Donna. So good luck, Vanessa. I hope nothing but the best for you. Keep that smile. Charlotte. Thank you. Good luck, Ben. We will miss you. And then I put a name. So someone else said good luck. Be safe. Someone said good luck. And then someone else said be safe. Hope to see you again. Then I put a name. Right? Oh, that is B. And somebody says sweet thing. And Jeffrey said thank you for all the good conversation in the boring morning here, Jeffrey. Thank you. And then it says, and every other way there is to say, job well done, congratulations. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So this is my second card. And I'm gonna keep all this. It feels so good to be at a place where you feel so loved and cherished and honored. Like, I'm so honored. You guys would have followed the journey where I felt like I was stressed out, and then after a while I realized I'm fine, I'm good again, and I wanted to stay. So it's not all bad. It's just sometimes you just have to work through the storm until it calms down. So don't be quick to jump to conclusion or jump to do something that you don't want to do, because just like a relationship, it's not always going to be an honeymoon phase. You're going to have fight and cussing and whatever, but you have to always remember why when you enter the relationship, what brought you that spark. So this is what happened. You know, yes, there were times like I feel like I wanted to go somewhere else, but you guys can attest, I always say it will get better, it will get better, and it did get better. And now I feel happy because I'm going somewhere else to start a new journey, but I feel sad because it's like I'm leaving my family behind. I'm gonna miss them so much. I'm gonna miss Donna, Christy, Jody, Abby, Brittany, Danielle. You see, I don't want to even call her name, because they say if you call her name now, it's somebody and you miss somebody, they're gonna say, what about me? Why you never say B? What, like me and B and what's her name? Rochelle have a love-hate relationship. Like, when it comes on to my food, they know that I want it to be proper. Alright? So we always cuss when it comes on to that. But differently from that, we always have a good time. Charlotte, once me look on Charlotte and Charlotte look on me, we always just laughing. And I don't know if they're watching this, they probably don't even understand my language. But yes, this is me just saying thank you guys if you're seeing. And I really love and appreciate you guys. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for having me. And it was a pleasure working with you. Yeah. With that being said, guys, we have come to the end of this vlog, this week vlog, the end of this journey. And we are going to start something new. And yeah, I'm going to take you with you. It's going to be a completely different journey. It's going to be stressing. Yeah, because one bag of Jamaica is going to be there, and I'm going to do housekeeping, not something that I want to do, but I don't mind doing it because it's work still. Alright, so yeah, so stay tuned for my next journey, and thank you guys for keeping me through this journey. It's a pleasure. And guys, I gave you 2 vlogs because I missed out on last week. So yeah, you guys still kept up to date because I did release the vlog for last week, and I am releasing this vlog, so 2 vlogs in one. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and share with your friends and family. Share with everyone that's on the H2B program or wants to see the lifestyle of an H2B participant. Yeah, thank you. Bye.